training. Today we're looking at thermal calculations and in particular the Berglund thermal sensation model. Now there's been quite a bit of research about how temperature and clothing affects how we perceive temperature. So we're just looking at this specific calculation today. And if you have a look at this, here is what we're looking at. Okay, this is our formula. Okay, and we've been given a situation. So we want to find a comfort for a person that's in a room that is 16 degrees Celsius, and we've actually worked out their clothing value. Now that's another message for another day. It's another calculation that you'll have to look up. However, today we're just looking at applying it now. So we're looking at this and we're saying, well, actually, Berglund says 0.305 times the temperature of the room, so say it was 16 degrees in the room, plus 0.996 times our clothing value. So what are we wearing? 0.91 is what we've calculated previously, minus 8.08. Now that should give us our thermal comfort, yeah, so our sensation, what we actually feel. 0.305 times 16 is 4.88. 4.88. I can get it to right. Lovely. Apologies about the writing. This is my new device. 0.996 times our clothing value, 0.91. So we're adding 0. What was that again? 386. 386. Then we're taking away 8.08. So let's finish off this calculation. 4.88 plus 0.386, take away 8.08. That leaves me with minus 2.81. So I'll just put it down here, minus 2.81. So this is in degrees Celsius. So this is our answer. Now imagine, is that how comfortable do you think that feels if you feel your perception is minus 2.81? Now have a look at this here. This is what I'm looking at now. So he's actually worked out a bit of a, there you go, minus 2 and minus 2. So we've got a bit of a range there. So from very hot to very cold. Minus 2 sits at you feeling cool, which makes sense. If you feel 2 degrees cooler, you're feeling a bit cooler, aren't you? And you're not feeling very comfortable. Minus 2 here. Okay. All right. So we've just very quickly calculated using Berglund thermal sensation model how cool you feel when you're in a room that's 16 degrees and you've got a clothing value of 0.991. Thank you for your time. Please feel free to feedback on any theories that you want me to find more Silkensolutions for.